1,115.
115.
Nearly. So first thing we need to do, if we're taking a bearing, we need to make sure that there's a north line, so that we have something to take the bearing from.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And then the bearing, change the colour of that. The bearing is from the north line to the line that we want to go to. So that all the way like that.
Yeah.
So we want to work out the bearing of this blue angle.
Yes. Okay. So we need to find out what that is. So is that going to be 180? Because the straight line.
The straight line, so the pink line will be 180 on that side, yeah?
Yes.
There's another way we could do this though, if you remember back to the last question we did.
Why?
And we used alternate angles, do you remember?
Yes. Z angle.
The Z angle, yeah.
So like this. So I need to find that. So how did we find Z angle? 65, 180, 115.
So you're right, so that angle that you've drawn on there, from the Z angle, is 115?
Yeah, so we can do 360 subtract 115.
No, we could do, but we need to subtract something else. But we could do 180 minus 115.
Yeah, 245.
Okay, so 200, oh no, you're right. You're totally right, I'm wrong. Yeah, 245, spot on.
Yeah.
Excellent, really, really well done.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we'll have time for one more.
Yeah.
So, we'll do one similar to the end of the workbook question. So if you just scroll down on this page, I'll put it down there. So all of these look the same, these bearings questions.
Yeah.
So we did this one at the beginning, but there was a second part to it, which we'll do now.
Yes.
So measure the bearing of B from A. We did that in part 1 at the very bottom, and it was 252.
Yes.
So I'll write that in. And then it says, another house, C, is on a bearing 170 degrees from B. On the map, C is 5 centimetres away from B.
Yes.
Mark the position of C with a cross and label it C.
Okay.
So we'll have to do this digitally, but I've got a protractor and a ruler. Can you see the protractor and the ruler when I put it on?
Yes.
Yeah, cool. So I've got these for you to use.
So, the protractor.
So use the question that we did in the work booklet to help you with this, because it's exactly the same as what we did for question 3 in there.
Yes. So there. Let's make it a bit. So we will have to rotate this. Like this. This. Then it has to touch 0. Yes?
Yeah. Okay, so I've just realised we would do that if we were taking the bearing of B, but we worked out before that the bearing was 252.
Yes. 250.
Yeah, does that make sense?
Yes.
Whereas this time we need a bearing of 170, so that's the angle that we need to measure out from B.
Yes.
Yeah, so use the protractor again. But starting at B, starting from the north line,
Yeah.
measure 170 degrees clockwise from B.
Okay.
Yeah, perfect. So when you did that way around.
Show that like that.
Yeah. Line it up like that and then measure where's 170 from there. It's actually going to crash into, let me move this all the way.
It's there.
Oh, sorry. Trying to shift these numbers. Where, sorry, can you mark it on?
Yes, over here. On which side?
You tell me. You tell
The
me.
black side.
Yeah, why is it the black side?
Because the 0.
Yeah, because we started on the black 0, didn't we? Yeah.
Here.
Yeah, so it's going to be there. So we draw a line to there from the middle.
Yes.
And then use the ruler. It tells us that. So I'll get rid of this for a second. We did that. Oh, not that one. No, not that one. The ruler. It tells us that C is 5 centimetres away from B. Oh no, don't use the line.
It was the wrong one.
So that's the direction we need it in.
Yes.
Can you measure out 5 centimetres from B and then work out where C is?
Yes.
Yeah, go on then.
This one.
Yeah, so the ruler works exactly the same. There's a little, yeah, spot on.
There.
Yeah, and then line it up nice. Yeah, brilliant. And then label it C.
C. Yeah.
C, yeah, so it's in this direction. So we've lined this up with here. And then C is 5 centimetres on the angle of 170,
Yes.
which was this angle here, which we measured. Does that make sense?
Yes.
And that's where C is.
Yeah.
Okay. So next week, we'll do a little recap of how to do these kinds of bearings questions.
Yeah.
We might do like 1 or 2 recap questions on corresponding alternate angles.
Yes.
But unless you want a full lesson on bearings again, which we can do on Wednesday, that's totally fine. Or we can start a new topic and I'll ask your dad for some more
Yes.
pages.
Yes.
So it's entirely up to you. If you want more practice with bearings, that's totally fine. Just let me know on Wednesday.
Okay.
Yeah? But if you want to move on to a new topic, let your dad know which pages and I'll ask him for them.
Okay.
Okay, you've done really, really well today. These questions are GCSE style questions. So, and obviously you're not 15, 16, which is the age you normally take the GCSE. So you should be really proud of yourself that you do these questions, because I do give you hard questions to make you as best as you can be.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Right. You've done really well.
Thank you.
I'll see you next Wednesday.
Bye.
Bye.